I'm Eva Cannon with WePresent, and we're here at ISE 2016 demoing all of our 3 models of the WePresent WIPG wireless presentation solution. Right here we've got a WIPG 2000. We're also previewing our new model, the WIPG 1600, which is our education feature. So we found that with education that users were very happy with the 2000, but there were several features that they didn't quite need, which was driving up the price point. So we stripped down some of those features, lowered the price point, and created a whole new model just for education users. So the WIPG 2000 model, all of our models actually allow for up to 64 users to connect at a time, and up to 4 can display at a time. It's completely cross-platform. It's great for BYOD situations, including boardrooms, conference rooms, training rooms, all across the board. We support Mac, PC, Android, iOS, completely BYOD. So right here I've got my MacBook, and I've got a couple iPads and another MacBook as well. So this right here shows me all of the users in queue. Up to 64 would be connected right here. We have touchscreen support with full on-screen annotation as well, so I can remotely control my computer and PC from the touchscreen if I so choose. First thing I'm going to do is connect to the WePresent Wi-Fi. Now, if I'm plugged into the network, I would also be on the same network that the WePresent was on. It can go either way. Right now, I'm already on our network here. I'm going to launch the MirrorOp software and connect. Right here, up in the corner, is what we've named this device, the WIPG 2000-845. The IP address is with the IP address that our network is handing the device, and up here in the corner we have a 4-digit code. That is a randomly generated code for security purposes. It can also be set to a static code or be disabled altogether. So once I'm connected, all I'm going to do is hit the play button. And there I'm displaying in full screen. We've got touchscreen support, like I said, with on-screen annotation. So this is our touchscreen overlay menu. From here, I can put a cursor, and you can see I'm now controlling my computer as well. You can write on the screen. This is really good when you've got presentations that you want to highlight, make annotations on. I'm going to go ahead and close this real quick. So here I've got my MacBook displaying in full screen. Let me erase that. But if I want to have users that are in quad screen mode, if I've got some collaboration or some students that want to all show something together, all I do is go in here to the software and pick which quadrant I want to connect to. So I can have up to 4 devices displaying at a time, and it can be any 4 devices completely across the board. So I'm going to go ahead and put my iPad in, also supported with an app in the App Store or Google Play Store for Androids. We also, as of today, have released our new firmware update that includes Apple AirPlay support for iOS 9 compatibility. So you don't even need the app with AirPads or iPads anymore. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go ahead and start this and put it in the top right. So there we go. We've got 2 devices connected. I can also, since I've got a touch screen here, choose to change from the touch screen. I can pick. So I'm going to go back to full screen mode real quick so I can show you some more features. There we go. Supports video playing in up to 30 frames per second, full 1080p video. Now this is mirroring my computer still, so you can see it does support the video. However, the 2000 also has an onboard video streamer. So what I can do from here is I can take that video file from my computer, put it directly onto the WePresent device, and then it will decode it and play it at 30 frames per second as well. Then it's freed up all those resources from my computer and playing it directly from the WePresent. Some of the additional features with the WePresent models are full 1080p HD quality. The 2000 also has dual band Wi-Fi, the onboard video streamer, of course. We've got the iOS 9 AirPlay. Over here you can see some of our additional features, including power over Ethernet. We've got gigabit LAN, 1x4 distribution. What that means is if I have 4 2000s on 4 different displays, I can take my presentation or whatever I'm presenting and send it to all 4 2000s, and it will spread them out on 4 different displays. So that's really good, especially in bigger venues where they've got several displays around. Now, how the WePresent connects is it will hardwire into the network, or it will be over Wi-Fi. It can be either way. It plugs into your display or projector through HDMI or VGA. That's our 1600 model. Here's our 2000 model, same thing. The antenna's on the back as it has Wi-Fi. So that's our WePresent models. We also have the new SharePod. What the SharePod is, it's an HDMI accessory device. It takes any HDMI source and plugs in to the SharePod, presses a button, and it connects to the WePresent model. So you can use sources such as document cameras, video players, DVD players, even guest laptops that don't have admin access or can't download software or don't want to run the software from a USB token. They can plug in their computer through their HDMI as well and still wirelessly present. It will support all of the functions of the WePresent models, so it's very good for collaborating. Again, we're WePresent at WePresentWiFi.com.